I used to think the thing at the top meant I already had all figured out. Back in junior and senior high school, everything felt so easy. Like yung recognitions, titles, achieving awards, parang lahat abot kamay lang. And I thought, ganito na lang palagi na kontrolado ko na yung buhay ko eh. I had this version of myself that was so confident, so sure, so secured. Pero, eto tayo ngayon, fast forward college na, and I was like, as a freshman, I was so optimistic kasi I had no idea kung ano ba talaga yung takbo ng college life. And I dared to choose this course. Na-encourage ako ng friend ko back then. And sabi niya, let's took this together. And sabi ko naman, oh, may kasama na ako, so why not? Ganun, kasi sabi niya, align naman daw siya sa talents and skills ko. I am good at arts. I am exceptionally good sa academics. So, kayang-kaya ko siyang endure. When I fell for it, eto ko ngayon, natatawa na naaawa na rin ako sa sarili ko kasi I thought nga na yung architecture is lang siya. It's about drawing lang talaga, like many arts, and parang may applications lang ng mga techniques na ganito, ganyan. Pero I was wrong. Ang dami pala ditong overnights, ang daming sleepless nights, ang daming, alam mo yun, kulang talaga sa tulog. And doon ko na-realize na mahirap pala talaga. I mean, just like Socrates said, an exam in life is not worth living. Maybe this is a part of examining who I really am. Kasi habang tinitingnan ko yung plates ng mga classmate ko, ang gaganda, pulido, effortless, na para bang... And when I failed my first exam, that's when I realized na my self-worth was tied too much to achievements. And maybe that's something that I need to understand about myself. And ang dami ko pang mahirap na pinagdaanan na na-feel ko na talaga na parang ang dami ng signs na hindi nag-a-align sa gusto ko. Kumbaga, ang daming tanong sa utak ko na sumasaga na hindi ko masagot. I'm so unsure of myself. Parang I've lived to go along sa mga sinasabi ng tao na parang I forgot to choose my own path, to know what I want, and now I'm stuck. Pero even though I'm struggling, I still had this little flame in me na parang boses na nagsasabi sa akin na laban pa, kaya pa. Maybe I don't know myself fully yet, but what I know is I have to keep moving forward. And maybe that's what self-awareness really means. That even though you feel uncertain, you still choose to move forward. Yung nag-aalav, it came from my purpose, my mom. I remember the hardships, yung mga sakripisyo na ginawa niya just to make ends meet. Mahirap talaga ang buhay. But she taught me how to live, how to continue to survive. Kaya kahit maraming challenges, patuloy akong babangon. Na-realize ko na success isn't about staying on top. It's about standing up every time you fall. I mean, yeah, architecture still challenges me. I still cry sometimes, pero sa bawat hirap, nabubuo ako. I realize that the self isn't fixed. It grows and evolves, just like me. Myself in motion. Not perfect, not finished, but alive, still burning.